So I got the black plastics kit. It's the Achirby brand from motorsport.com. Everything should fit exact. I've installed a couple of these and it's pretty easy. So we don't want to snug down all the bolts just yet. Just get them in place because we're going to make sure that everything is going to fit properly and then we can snug everything up. All right, we're going to put on the number plate next. And don't forget to grab your hardware. This is going to help hold your seat on. The plastics kit came with this rubber grommet. And I'm not sure where it goes yet. But we're gonna put this side piece on now. Okay, so I figured out where that rubber grommet goes. Go right here, which is just I think it's just like a bump stop that goes up against the exhaust. The Achirby's plastic kit came with this heat shield. So I think we're just gonna use the original as like a template and we'll throw this on the new one. Okay, and then this rubber grommet piece goes right here. You just press it on there. So at first glance, this doesn't seem to be fitting very good, but I just actually discovered down here, this flap here is actually going to tuck right under the frame, and when that happens, then everything lines up really well if you tuck that flap right under there. Boom. And that lines up way better. All right, we're gonna do the front fender next, and it comes with these little guys. Okay, so I got these pressed in there. That was actually really easy. They just press right in and they sit flush with the fender. So I'm working on the number plate. I really don't like this design. Whatever this is, I mean, yeah, I could push this through and shove it down in there, but I don't know. I think it's kind of dumb. So I'm actually gonna trim this, probably like right here, and then I'm gonna use this reusable zip tie and basically replicate what the stock number plate looked like. So I like that way better. I cut this with the razor blade and then drill the hole, and I hit the sides of this with some sandpaper to clean it up. So the fork guards also come with these metal inserts. So just press those in there and get it installed. All All right, we got the fork guards on. We got all the rest of the plastics on. Now we're gonna do the seat. So I actually made a whole nother video about how to install this seat cover. That's already on YouTube, so I will link that in the description below. All right, next we're gonna throw on this bar pad and some of these yellow grips and get rid of some of this green stuff.